This is my old outlet, and in this video I'll show you how to install this new modern one. You can pick one of these up at your local hardware store, or I will have links in the comments below. Also, don't forget to buy one of these covers because the old style cover will not work for this rectangular style outlet, so you'll need something like this. Before you get started, make sure your circuit breaker is off and test your outlet that it is off. Then take off the cover by simply using a Phillips head and removing one of these screws. Then use a drill with a Phillips bit on it and remove the outlet and pull it out. Next, the process is very simple. You remove the black wires and put them on the right side where the gold is, and remove the white wires and put them where the silver ones are. And then you remove the copper wire, which is the ground, and put it on the ground.
I threw it on the ground.
Next, you just tuck in all these wires back in where they came from.
Go back where you came from.
And screw it back in. Make sure you make any necessary adjustments before you fully tighten these. I also ended up using these types of spacers, one each on top and bottom, as you can see right here. That way it eliminates bending this piece and it makes it nice and flat when I put the cover on. And lastly, install the cover back on. And here's what it looks like. Don't forget to turn on your circuit breaker and check out how I installed these lights next right here.